Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Alt plus F4 is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. A lot of people are referring to it as a keyboard issue. No, it's not a keyboard issue, it's a structural issue. Let's say I'm on an application, for example, I'm on Microsoft Word right now. I'll press Alt plus F4, it will open a different window to save changes to this file. In the case of many applications, it might not open anything at all. So basically, you need to go to the absolute desktop screen, minimize everything, press Alt plus F4, and now it will pull up the shutdown menu. Okay, so one may ask, how do I minimize multiple windows? I have a lot of them open here. Simply pull your mouse to the bottom right corner of the screen. It says show desktop, bottom right corner, this region, absolute bottom right, and then click there. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.